So Trudy is the winner, but Trudy's idea, which is going to save millions of dollars, is one of 18,000 different ideas that was submitted through the SAVE Award contest. 176,000 votes were cast to figure out what the very best ideas are. Many of these ideas are going to be hardwired into the president's budget and will be implemented in the coming years.
I thought the idea was superb, and one that in some ways is obvious, but in many ways is ingenious.
Trudy recognized that every week a paper copy arrived at her office, delivered via U.S. mail, of the Federal Register.
When I first started working with them, we used them because there wasn't an online base. But now we still receive them, and the Federal Register is all online now. It's easily accessible to look things up, and by the time we get the hard copy, we've already researched what we need to see.
Even more importantly than the individual ideas is a change of culture. The President meeting with Trudy today sends a real signal to the federal workforce that the President believes that the best ideas for improving efficiency, saving money, making the government more effective exist on the front line. And that culture change, where there's a recognition that that's where the best ideas are, is the most sustainable way to improve government service.
So if I'm not mistaken, guys, we could end up saving about $5 million on this?
Absolutely, and then this idea applied to other things we mail for no reason could lead to tens of millions of dollars.
Tens of millions of dollars that we could end up saving. So you know, your mom, she just has common sense.
It's really encouraging that Washington's, requesting and implementing some of these ideas, because what we see every day isn't something that people in Washington are seeing.
We are trying to get leaner. We're trying to become more efficient. Something that seems relatively small, if replicated over the full length of the federal government, can really result in pretty substantial savings. And this is exactly the kind of award that I think will help generate that spirit among the great federal employees that we have, who I think, are inclined to operate in that way in any case.
As a business administrator, I kind of scrutinize, purchases and look for the most economical ways to spend the taxpayer money. And it's just been really a wonderful experience to see that the people up in Washington are listening.